Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Seven of Cups, the Emperor in reverse and King of Cups. So Virgos, you are someone who is really dedicated to your work and you are devoted. So whatever choices you make for yourself, you stand by those choices, and you are someone who is really caring, nurturing, and you protect the people around you, maybe the people you take care of, and you are someone who is really patient, wise and understanding, and that may be the reason people really love to come to you for guidance and support, and they may share their worries or they may share their problems with you and ask for your suggestions. So you are someone with clear thinking and understanding, and today in your situation, maybe you are thinking about your dreams and fantasies. So whatever goals or aspirations you have for yourself, you are thinking about that, and maybe you are planning your life based on those dreams you have for yourself, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, and you are working towards those dreams and you want to achieve those dreams. And maybe for some of you, you are not making enough efforts, guys. So you need more efforts or you need more concentration in your efforts to make it succeed, and there may be some things coming as obstacles. Maybe you may have some confusions, doubts, or some kind of obstructions may be there in the path you have taken. So obstacles may be, and maybe in certain things you have made a decision without clear thinking, maybe some immature decisions. Again, that may be the reason for some troubles you are seeing today. So Virgos, you need clear thinking, and just dreaming and taking up some path may not work for you, guys. Maybe you should think whether it will work out practically. So you should go for practical actions or practical efforts. Only then you will be able to succeed, and you should see the practicality of your dreams or goals, whatever you have. And if it is possible, in your limits, only then you need to proceed. So you have to think clearly, guys, Virgos. That is what I see, guys. And also, maybe for some of you, you are a very kind and compassionate person, and you go out of the way to help others, and maybe you spend too much time helping others and you do not concentrate in your responsibilities, maybe. And your kind-heartedness that may come in obstruct the way things are, that may affect your work potential also, guys. And though it may be the quality that people around you they love, maybe for some reason this person you love, they may not like the way you are going out of the way helping others, maybe because you don't find time to spend with them, or they may resent your kind-heartedness, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can either close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then choose the cards or the crystals and watch that reading. so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So you can think about your situation, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. Let's see what is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, the card says water and salt, truth. So in your situation today, guys, maybe in this relationship or maybe in some circumstance, you are someone who is really truthful, honest, and who speaks the truth, maybe plain truth, and people around you, maybe someone really close to you, they may not like you speaking the plain truth. They may not understand that it is your honest words. It may be what you truly feel, but you may be punished, or you may be scolded, or they may come to fight with you because of speaking this honesty. And you are not willing to tone down this truth or flatter them in any ways. So you are someone who speaks your mind, someone who tells what you truly feel. And this may not go well with this person or someone in your life. And this is not the time to to speak just to please this person. This may be the time for speaking what is there in your heart, giving that clarity, and maybe there is no reason for you to speak otherwise. This is the time you are speaking the truth, plain truth, maybe in some situation, and this person may not like it because it makes them feel really uncomfortable, and they may come to argue with you or fight with you, or they may even try to break this relationship. But this truth is all that you need to be in this connection, and you can never give it up. That is your situation, guys. But whatever troubles you are facing today, guys, maybe by speaking what is there in your mind or some truth to this person, whatever you are facing, someday this person will understand that your words are based on honesty, and that all that happened is their mistake, and they will realize what has gone wrong, and it is all their mistake, guys. So your honesty, your plain honesty, will be appreciated someday, but that day may not be today. You may be facing a lot of troubles because of this truth, but you can be sure that someday they will understand what you truly felt today, guys, and the reason for you to speaking such words. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second crystal and this card, the second card, we have lithium quartz, and it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this crystal, it just stands for that calmness, composure, peacefulness in our situation, and connectedness with that other person. So how to achieve this peacefulness in a relationship? Peace comes in a relationship when we are willing to trust that there is more than one right way of doing anything. Maybe we are suggesting some things and we believe in our way. Maybe whatever this person is also suggesting may be a different path, but that may also be the right path towards that destination. So you need to understand that, and you need to collaborate with your strengths, and maybe in the areas we are weak, we can take support, and the areas we are strong, we can help the other person. So in a relationship, we are meant to heal and grow together, balancing each other in this relationship. And That is the reason opposites always attract. So we are opposites of each other. So the people in a relationship, guys, and we must appreciate each other's talents and skills and support each other. So that way we are working towards a peaceful connection. And this crystal promotes that, or this crystal energy is that, going for that peaceful interconnection. So you need to understand and try to collaborate instead of fighting or arguing. Sometimes we must listen to that person, their ideas. So even their ideas may work out positively, just how we believe our ideas will work out in a positive way, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. So this was your first card, guys. Bye, guys.